Cases of cyclosporiasis are still on the rise, being found in more and more states. If you ingest any contaminated produce items, you could get stuck with weeks of severe diarrhea. Now, with all this, people are wondering where to buy their produce. Even still, as Ron Spitzer found out, the public market locally could be your choice.
Everything is straight from the farm. Everything is homegrown, so we take care of the customers as is. I mean, the lettuce virus hasn't really hit us. It has hit other vendors and other farmers, but for us in particular, it hasn't quite hit us yet.
Thomas Moss of Moss Fresh Fruits and Vegetables at the Rochester Public Market is a second-generation owner. They've been there for 50 years. He says since the Cyclospora outbreak, they've gotten the same amount of foot traffic, but...
Well, there's definitely been some questions about the produce and if the virus has hit our farms.
At Moss's stand, they don't sell lettuce. However, Cyclospora can also be found on fresh herbs like basil and cilantro, various berries, and other veggies like snow peas. Robert Redfield, the former director of the Center for Disease Control, says the safest thing to do is get locally grown vegetables.
Most of the times we've had these outbreaks over the last 10 years, they've come from imported produce. And so, again, people can go support their local farmer, get their produce locally. I think they'll be totally safe.
On July 17th, Taylor Farms recalled iceberg lettuce sourced from central Mexico. Since May 1st, the CDC has gotten reports of nearly 10,500 lab-confirmed domestic cases of cyclosporiasis. But the agency is aware of over 12,000 additional cases that are not lab-confirmed or require further investigation.
Cyclospora has no risk to your family. If you're sick with cyclosporin, it doesn't go human to human.
Ultimately, Moss says,
it's always good to get the fresh veggies in. Kale, collard greens, callalua, something different. Anything that's homegrown, green, and fresh is pretty much good for you. So you can't go wrong with healthy, fresh greens and stuff.
Remember, if you think you're showing symptoms of cyclosporiasis, contact your doctor.
Get the Rochester First streaming app today for everything you love from News 8 On Demand, plus exclusive shows you won't see anywhere else. Search ROC and download for free on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.